Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Xero Projects Review My Usage Experience. Xero Projects Review My Usage Experience offers a way to manage and track project progress within the Xero accounting software. It's primarily aimed at small business owners and freelancers who use Xero for their accounting needs and want a better way to manage their projects' budgets, timelines, and tasks. Key features seem to include task management, time tracking, and potentially reporting on project profitability. Their website provides details on the specific features and pricing. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Xero Projects. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The integration with my existing Xero account was seamless. It took less than 5 minutes to connect and begin setting up my first project. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I found it easy to create projects, assign tasks, and track time spent on each. I particularly liked the ability to link expenses directly to specific projects, making it much simpler to track profitability. The reporting features were also excellent, offering clear visualizations of project progress and budget status. I had a quick question about custom reporting and their support responded within 24 hours via email, very helpful. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would have made it even more convenient for tracking time on the go. It also took me a little while to fully grasp the advanced features around budgeting and resource allocation, but the help documentation was clear enough to help me out. The standout feature for me was definitely the seamless integration with Xero's existing financial tools. It really streamlined my workflow. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Xero Projects. It's a valuable addition to my existing Xero setup and has made managing my projects significantly easier and more efficient. That's my overview of Xero Projects Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.